Welcome to Early Measurement History. This is going to work really well with Activity 1.3.2, which you must review before doing the activity. So what do the following terms mean to you? The cubit, the fathom, the handspan, the pace, the foot, the girth, and the palm. We're going to take a second to look at each one with some examples. The cubit is the first one. This was a form of measurement used by the Egyptians to build the pyramids. Here's an example of a cubit. The cubit is a measure from the elbow to the tip of your middle finger when your arm is extended. The fathom, which equals 1.8288 meters, or roughly 6 feet, is often used in boating. Sailors would actually use this to determine the depth of the water so that they would not run aground and become stranded. Here's an example of a boat that was actually designed by Steve Jobs. The fathom is the measure from your fingertip to fingertip when your arms are stretched sideways as far as they will go. You sometimes see rope or fabric measured in this way. The handspan is used to measure the height of horses. People still describe horses as being so many hands high. The handspan is the measure from the tip of your pinky to the tip of your thumb when your hand is stretched out. So when we use multiple hands to do this, you'll see it in an example like this. Put our first hand down, wide spread, second one down, lift the first one, put it back down, and so on and so forth. The pace, we see this often used in either fitness or in military uses. This term is used by the Roman army to judge speed. The term is still used frequently during various types of foot races. Those of you in track or cross country, especially cross country, have probably heard this term fairly often. The pace is the measure of a distance from one step to another. It's also used in various types of fitness watches, as the Fuel Band example. The foot, I think we know what a foot is, but a measurement equal to the length of an individual foot, such as yours. The girth, often a measurement used to measure fishing line, but it's actually the measurement around one's stomach. So your belt measure would be different than, say, my belt measure. It's often used, you see this term used a lot in saddling for horses. The palm, this is the width of your four fingers when they are placed together. It's very similar to handspan, but now we're keeping all of our four fingers together, one after the other. So, some people found that measuring this fashion to be quite challenging, as you might imagine, and so they developed their own standards. What do you find right or wrong with the various forms of measurement that I've just shared with you?